In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the trunk struts or the support rods on your 2003 to 2006 Infiniti G35 sedan. Let's go ahead and pop the trunk first. Now see, when you open up the trunk, those two support rods over there, they are the ones that keep the trunk in place. And we need to replace them both so that the trunk opens up easily and stays in place. For that, we will need a flathead screwdriver because we are going to use that to pry the clips off of the support rod. So just do it the way I'm doing it in the video over here. Use a screwdriver. Make sure you keep one finger over there when you're prying the clips off because you don't want the clips to just fly off because that may be dangerous. So pry the clip off and then just wiggle the rod a little bit and it should come right out. Once it does from the one end, I'm just going to also show you that you can twist and rotate the rod in its place if that makes it more convenient for you to take the other end off. Same process on the other end, get the rod out. Now what I want to show you is that this is a good rod. This is a good support rod and you should not be able to compress the support rod with just your hands because the gases under it are under high pressure and so you should not be able to just easily compress it. So that's one way to make sure that your support rod is good. If you're able to compress it easily, then it's a bad rod because gases are leaking out and you need to get a new support rod. So let's put it back in its place. First we'll put the lower one, then we'll put the top end in, and as you can see that it's not really aligning with the trunk over there. So what we will do is first we'll make sure that the clip is pried out, right? And then we need to compress the rod a little bit. So this is hard, but it's easier than just doing it with just your bare hands. So now the one end is in, you can use your body weight in both your hands to compress the rod just a little bit. Pop the top end in like that. That's it, it's in its place now. Now use a screwdriver and push the clip in. And let's see how the trunk works. That looks good.